Massage operation. Apply oil on the back till waist and push down on foam shoe and foam cool active points 3 times. Push do mai and 膀胱经 with both hands 3 times. Push alternately do mai and 膀胱经 with them 3 times. The roots of both palms start from the major vertebra and alternate in pushing do mai and 膀胱经. Lift from the lumbar sides through the armpits in left to right order 3 times. Push thumbs between shoulder blades to armpits 3 times. And then pass through armpits to fingers. Alternate both palms, starting from 大椎 acupoint in right direction towards waist and select the armpits in lines. Make sure a line is next to another 3 times. Alternate hukou points, starting from hairline to 大白筋 and select the fingers 3 times. Select vacuum head of your choice, set temperature, working time, suction, and release time. Click to start. Device operation. Move the lymphatic detoxification probe from the mid vertebra to the tail vertebra 3 times. Push from 膀胱经 to tail vertebra, first left then right with the probe 3 times. Push from shoulder blades in to armpit with the probe 3 times. Push to waist following right lines with the probe 3 times. Push 大白筋, start from neck with the probe 3 times. Walking the cup. If the moisture inside the body is heavy, you can walk the cups. Walk through 膀胱经 and do mai back and forth for 3 times. Shoulder blades lean back and forth for 3 times. Walk through the whole back to the rib direction for 3 times, subjecting to the customer's acceptability. Select sit cups and walk them on neck to 大白筋 back and forth 3 to 5 times. Select vacuum pad of your choice. Set temperature, working time, suction and release time. Click to start. Fixate the cups. On 大椎 肩颈 point. 天中 point, 偏移 point, and 发疗 area, around 5 to 10 minutes, subjecting to the customer's acceptability. Take off the caps and wipe the treated area clean with towel. Adjust EMS working time, energy, intensity. Fix it the adhesive strap. Apply gel on back or on EMS pads. Fix it EMS electrode pads on back muscles with straps, 20 to 30 minutes. Take off straps and pads and wipe treatment area clean.